Kali requires constant updating to keep the tools you are using in functional order. We have two main commands for this purpose. We have the apt-get update and we have apt-get upgrade. So what's the difference between the update and the upgrade? Update actually, it lists the available packages and their versions, but it doesn't actually install or upgrade any of the packages. It just tells the package manager what is actually up there available for us. But if you want an actual upgrading of your packages, you will have to use the apt-get upgrade command. So I will run them quickly here. Update. As you can see, it's working. You should run it oftenly actually. And the apt upgrade. I did run them actually before this video, and if you want efficiency, you should run them on a daily basis, or it will take some time. Actually, it can take up to an hour for the upgrade command. Now I'll teach you an efficient way to do the update and the upgrade by using an alias. So with one command, you can actually invoke the two commands at once. For that, we need to do some kind of changes to the bashrc file. For this purpose, we use the command Leafpad and we direct this file to open, and then we press enter. It will actually open the bashrc in a notepad file, and if you expand it here for a while and go down, just go down to the place where there is a hash alias. Press enter here and write alias update-sys. So we will now use update-sys to reference the two commands, which are apt-get update and upgrade. So update-sys equal apt-get update and apt-get upgrade, and we close the parentheses. Notice here there's a star. Whenever there's a star, it means that the file is being edited and it's not saved. So make sure to save the file. Once you save the file, the star will be gone, and then close it. Now we have the file updated. So to be on the safe side, let's close this terminal and open a new terminal and use the alias that we've just created. Update-sys. Press enter. It will run both commands at once. It will update your system and will upgrade all the packages available.